Welcome again to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques on our YouTube channel, where we highlight some of the china we're listing for sale on the Vintage and Antiques website. A very nice set, 4 of them. We are selling them individually rather than a set, but this is Churchill's Out of the Blue. Blue and white floral china design, beautifully transfer printed, made not just by Churchill but also by Queen's in exact same shapes and design, the only difference being the factory mark. So let me show you that, because Queen's and Churchill were part of the same group and quite a bit of china was produced on dual factory stamps, although they're coming off probably the same production line, maybe different production lines in the same factory. The only difference was this mark here, and these are very clearly Churchill's recumbent line there, Out of the Blue. A pattern inspired by Mary Gilliatt, made in England, so these are English examples, probably late 20th century. Mary Gilliatt was a very popular interior designer and fashion guru, worked for Vogue, a lot of interior lines. She worked with Churchill on this design and quite a few other interiors related activities. I think she's living in the south of France on the last bit of research I did for her. Now, I don't know whether she's still active in the design world, but she's certainly got a very well documented and inspiring history that she's been part of, and these are examples of that. So we have 4 of them available individually for sale. Cereal bowls, should have shown you the side just the side view of those, so you can see they're cereal bowls as opposed to rimmed soup bowls, which they did also make. These are very much the cereal bowls, very popular in the late 20th century and still very, very useful for either soup, cereals or desserts. Multifunctional, really, that's why they prove so popular. This design is going to be dishwasher, microwave and freezer proof. Probably still put them in the oven, but I wouldn't, because that's a good and surefire way to damage and stain them. But they're in fine condition now. I don't think they've ever been used. The glaze, I don't know whether you can see the reflection there. Not a knife or spoon mark on the base of these, so very, very clean examples. These are going on sale with a whole load of flatware and teacup trios in the same design by the same factory on the Vintage and Antiques website. So do follow the description link below. It will take you through to our website listing for these cereal bowls. But if you're looking for other pieces in the Churchill Out of the Blue range, have a browse on the website. We may well have them for you currently. Thanks for watching.